project to final. So this is the application where I use rates API to display the data. So this is overall my application, how it will look like. So, and first of all, I just want to give overall introduction of application. This is my landing page. Then I have this latest stock search with base, then stock search with a base and currency. Whenever I click this one, I'm using React router, so navigation will change. You can see here. Okay, so you can see here. So first of all, I'm going to present my documentation, whatever documentation I have for my project. So this is my project description. Like initially my scope was to fetch the rates API and then display those rates API in my web application by using, and then provide some navigation to the end users. For example, like I have the latest stock report. If user by default this page was displaying, then we have a latest stock search with base, latest search stock search with base and the currency. So this is the overall functionality. This was the overall functionality which I completed. This is my repository. This is my deployment side where this application is deployed. Then this is the wireframe. So it was just telling like how this application will look like. There will be a header, then we have 3 pages. This is the architecture, and then these are the three APIs which I'm using. So first API is just by default it is fetching all those records, and then on the basis of some such certain criteria, on the basis of certain criteria I'm using these two APIs. Okay. So this is MVP and post MVP, like to get the past conversion rates, where I didn't get time to that one, but right now whatever links are provided, what are the components which I described above, so those are working and I'm able to navigate those one and running the data. So these are the components. This is my W work breakdown structure. So this is telling like how much time I spend on a different components. So initial estimate was 40 hours, but I spent 50 hours, 55 hours. So this is some code snippets. So I use some ternary operator, some this nested objects, how I use it, issues and resolution. Like, so this one, like this is the first, then second. Okay. Binding was missing here, and thirdly my footer was not displaying properly, so I use this flex direction and other stuff. So now I will turn to Word my application. So application link is also here. If I give you an example, this one is the application link. Somehow this application link is not working. I can directly go over there. Okay, so same URL. So first thing is latest stock report with whatever I described. Like when I will click on this one, it will create a list of the latest dates for me. In the second navigation, I will select a base currency, and it will on the basis of base currency, it will give me the rates of other currencies. For example, if I select here US dollar, so US dollars, here I select a US dollars, it will give me the results of against the US dollars. For example, this is the base currency, and in a base currency, what is the value of the euro? Okay, so if I have a so if I have $1, then I will have a 0.90 euros. Okay, so same way here are the third link. By third link, for example, I give always I will relate it to the business. For example, if I'm planning to tour to any country, and right now I have a US dollars, this is my base currency. So I'm planning to go to somewhere, maybe India. Okay, so if I will have one Indian US dollar, then it will be 70.95 Indian dollar. So that's all I have. Thank you.